Guys, we finally have a swarm that's choosing to go in a swarm trap on its own. I don't know if you can see, the air is just covered in swarming bees, and they have identified a little swarm trap that I have sitting down at the end of the pine row, and they're going in on their own accord. It does appear, and that is so much easier than having to try to get them, hoping they land on a branch that you can whack them down into the box properly. But it does look like they're on their own going into that box, and that makes our work a whole lot easier if they truly do move into that. It does truly look like they're choosing to settle on this swarm trap. There they are, kind of covering the surface, swarming around it, and starting to go in the entrance hole. They like a box with a cavity of a particular depth and width, and these swarm traps are right the correct dimensions that they like to go in. They're looking for a cavity this size. So here we go. That is the second time this season that they have chosen to go into the swarm trap, and all we'll need to do now is relocate them to another box and move them. So that's great. One more little clip of them moving into their new home here, at least temporary new home.
You can see
covered in bees. They're definitely moving in. You can't even see the entrance hole because there's so many of them covering it now. And one at a time they're going in, or 10 at a time. Yep. It's amazing.